little bit of a change heading our way. It started today and it's going to continue into tomorrow. We're dropping back down to our more seasonal temperatures, and that's because this ridge of high pressure is starting to flatten, and we also have a trough that's going to be sneaking its way closer to us as well. This little system right here will start to move closer to the central coast, and tomorrow afternoon when we see that little thing move toward us, we could see an isolated shower or two along the Diablo range. But as far as rain goes, we're not going to see any of that. We're just going to see cooler temperatures as this starts to make its way into the central coast tomorrow. But what we will see are winds. We are going to see some stronger gusts, especially in the Salinas Valley location and up in our higher elevations like Pacheco Pass there. We could see gusts up to 30 miles an hour in some of these locations. So just make sure you have everything tied down if you're in the Salinas Valley tomorrow. And again, up in those higher elevations, we are going to see some windy and even breezy conditions along the coast tomorrow as well. And because of that, we do have a gale warning out there. This is really for the Big Sur coastline for the most part. This was just extended to Tuesday, 9 p.m. Northwest winds 20 to 30 knots, gusts up to 40. So mariners, just be extra cautious out there on those waters. Here's a look at what we can expect though for the rest of the night and into tomorrow. Those low clouds are going to return to the central coast once again and into the Salinas Valley and up into the Hollister and Gilroy area. We were seeing this yesterday and we even got some drizzle out of it. That's going to be the case tomorrow as well. I do think we will see some drizzle around the Monterey Peninsula and into the Salinas Valley tomorrow morning, even tomorrow evening, as those low clouds stick around for most of the day tomorrow. Like I said, we're going to be cooler and a bit more cloudier. And again, on Wednesday, because that marine layer is still deep, we are going to continue to see those low clouds return into the Salinas Valley and again up into the Hollister and Gilroy area as well. So that trend remains. We're just going to have a different trend as far as temperatures go, not as nice as what we were seeing this past weekend. Here's a look at what we can expect temperature-wise tomorrow, though. Santa Cruz 64 up and down the San Lorenzo Valley. We're looking at the low to mid 60s. Bonnie Doon 57, Davenport 64, and it's going to be a cool one along the coast. We're going to continue to see those 50s and 60s. 59 for Cashville, 61 for Salinas and Hollister. A little warmer inland at 68, but again, our inland locations, we're dropping about 10 degrees tomorrow. Monterey Peninsula, we're going to continue to see those 50s like we did today. Monterey, you'll be at 58, Seaside 57, and Carmel by the Sea, a high of 60. Now again, our inland locations, we're dropping a bit in temperature. We're seeing 70s out there today, 68 for Greenfield tomorrow, 71 for King City. Bradley, you were in the upper 80s today. We're dropping down to 75 tomorrow, and Big Sur a high of 60. Big Sur kind of is a mix of those inland and coastal temperatures. Our overnight lows, though, we are looking at the mid to upper 40s for our coastal locations. Again, I do think we could see some patchy drizzle tomorrow and windy conditions along the coast. That breezy conditions are going to last into midweek. We'll warm up just a little on Thursday and Friday, those clouds remaining in place. And look at this, we have a chance of some showers Sunday into Monday, and that's going to be the case as we head inland as well. Again, we have a little disturbance that could be making its way into our inland locations Tuesday, Wednesday, so do expect some maybe isolated showers. That chance is very low, but we'll continue to watch that for you. Windy conditions Tuesday, and even for our inland locations, we're talking about possibility of some rain Sunday into Monday. Veronica.